Hello, good morning to everyone. I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher in Surya School, Mehndagad. Dear students, today our topic is equation of motion by graphical method. Equation of motion by graphical method. Dear student, let us consider this is the velocity time graph. This is the velocity axis, velocity in meter per second, and this is the time axis, time is measured in second. Dear students, we have considered an object which having some initial velocity. So let a object have some initial velocity. This is the velocity u. This is the velocity u. Now objects start to move with uniform velocity. Then this. And this is the velocity v. This is the velocity v. Here time at the origin is 0 second and this is the time t. Now this is the point O, A, B, C, D, E. This is the graph, velocity time graph. Dear students, I say object having some initial velocity. So initial velocity is equal to, here is u. And in time t, body attain final velocity. So final velocity is equal to v. Dear students, it makes an angle theta. We calculate theta in terms of slope or gradient. Slope or gradient always be given as tan theta. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here tan theta is equal to perpendicular in CD and base is here AD. This is the velocity time graph. So theta gives the slope and the slope of velocity time graph is known as acceleration. So this is the acceleration. CD, we know that this will be equal to u, all of this will be equal to v, so this will be equal to v minus u, so v minus u upon AD is parallel to OE, so this is equal to t, so by cross multiplying v minus u is equal to AT and v is equal to u plus AT. This is the first equation of motion and known as velocity time relation This is the first equation of motion. Dear students, in second equation we can say distance or displacement time relation. Distance time relation. For this, if I calculate this area, then I can calculate the distance covered by body. So, in trapezium OACDE. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Now 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides. So here parallel side is OA plus C So OA plus CE into distance. Distance is OE into OA. 1 by 2, OA is equal to U, C is equal to V, and OE is equal to T. From first equation we know that V is equal to U plus AT and into time T. So 1 by 2 into 2U plus AT into T. So from here 1 by 2 into 2UT plus AT square. So I can say that UT plus half of AT square. This is the second equation of motion. This is the second equation of motion. Now for third equation. For third equation, same is here, area of trapezium is equal to this. So here 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides, मतलब OA plus CE into distance OE. So 1 by 2 into U plus V into T. From equation first, T is equal to V minus U by A. Put value of T at here, then 1 by 2 into V plus U into V minus U by A, and all this is equal to S. So S is equal to V plus U by 2 into V minus U by A. So S is equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. So S is equal to, so from by cross multiply, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is the third equation of motion by graphical method. Thank you, dear students.